Everyone, okay guys, you know what time it is for a BoxyCharm unboxing. I am so excited, guys. This is my second BoxyCharm, and sorry about the lighting, like you can actually see everything. My brother got me this ring light for Mother's Day, and it's just so cute. Let me just show you. Now, you can make it really bright. You don't need to see all this brightness now because you're gonna see everything. This is so cute. I never had anything like this before. I would actually use like a little night light, you know, one of those lamps that is for a desk. That's what I would use before. Ooh. But now I have this, or I'll just use either a natural sunlight or my light, you know. That's it. So guys, BoxyCharm, I am so excited. I got this like about a week ago, so I'm excited. I already opened it, but I want to see what's inside. So this is so cool. I got my first BoxyCharm. I like it. You know, I got a Natasha Denona, which I don't have anything from her because her collection is very, very pricey. So let's see what's in here. I've checked on YouTube itself to see, but then again, everyone's box is a little different based on what, you know, your preference. So if you don't know what BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription, and you just sign up, $25 a month, and also you just gotta fill out a profile based on your likes, you know, what you prefer. So they'll just give a list, a rundown of any beauty products, you know, in different categories, and you'll just pretty much say, you know, you sometimes use this, you rarely use this, or often, like you use it a lot. So for me, I like my brushes, you know, my blushes, definitely my highlighters. I'm not really big when it comes to like certain makeup item like lashes, no. So I wouldn't add that in my box. You know, you're paying $25 a month for it, so you want to get something that you know for sure you're gonna use. So I'm excited. I'm very, very excited. Ooh. I know one thing that I knew I was gonna get for sure, because when you sign on, you can actually pick at least one item. So it was the Shape Tape from, it was a Shape Tape, or it was the night cream, which is this right here. And I picked this. Afterwards I was like, oh, I should have got the Shape Tape because it's more of like a highlighter form. It's the newer one, and it has like a sponge to it at the end of the little thing. But I'm like, nah, I'll get this because I know this brand, Murad, is, am I saying it? Murad, yeah, Murad. It's very, very pricey. So this is cool. So this I already knew I was getting. And this right here costs $74. $74. That's a lot. And it says step 3. It's a moisturizer. This is a City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. This is cool. You know me, I like my Cetaphil. That is something that I have to have. But I'm excited for this. This is really, really cute. I like this. How many times is this? I'm scared. Ah, this is the, oh, so you just go like this and swipe, and the cool thing is you can just clean just like that. Just want to see how it feels. I have to definitely use this. $74. Ooh. It has like a, I don't know how to describe it. It has a scent to it, but not so strong. It smells like flowers. I don't know. It smells like something. So this is really, really cute to use. PM, massage over evenly over the face, neck, and chest. So breakthrough formula with antioxidants from, okay. While you sleep, vitamin C helps brighten, even tones. Okay, so it has a lot of good stuff, and it helps visibly reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Oh, that's good. So this is really, really, really cool. Really good. So this is nighttime. While you sleep, get that beauty sleep, it would do its magic. So I'm definitely gonna be using this. $74. I heard about this brand. I heard about that this brand is really good, but $74 for something like this, I'm gonna try. So the next one is the Cab Cosmetics. What is Cab Cosmetics? Do you? No. No. Oh, it's a palette. Oh, duh. Duh. So is this right here? This is cute, and this says day and night, and this palette right here goes for $52. It has 18 pigment shades to create a look for both day and night, all in one product. So you can wear this for the day or for the night. Let's see. So this is cool. I mean, these brands right here, I when I got my first BoxyCharm, I've never tried Natasha Denona. There was some brands that I've never even heard of, and this is cute. The Murad is some. I mean, guys, you're only paying $25, and look, that cost $74 right there. I mean, that's a steal. This is cute. This is cute. The only thing is, oh, the pair. I was gonna say the thing didn't came with the powder didn't came with this, but it's right here. This is cute. That is really, really nice. I like this shade right here. This is really, really cute. I like it. We got burgundy. Look at that purplish color right there. That's really, really nice. I would definitely be playing with this palette. Yes, ma'am. Okay. And the cool thing is, just say you like this, and you're like, oh my god, this is a great palette. You can go back and purchase this on the side. If you really want this, you can purchase it. You don't have to wait, and hopefully that you can probably get it again in a BoxyCharm, which I don't know if they do that. But this is really, really cute. Woo! So the next product is Lavish Essential Eye Collection. Okay, and this is, oh, these are the brushes, and it's this right here, and it comes with 5 brushes. It's vegan friendly. $30. The brushes, $30. But you know what? At least I got new brushes. Because in the last box I got brushes as well, because my brushes, like, those are the only things I normally don't replace or get rid of like that. So this is, ooh, I can tell this right here is gonna be my baby right here to get in that crease. for the outer V. Look at this. This is really, really cute. I like this. Isabel, I heard that. She's watching videos. So this is really, really cute. Now what is the next thing? Okay. And then this is a bamboo bronzer. C8. C8. I don't know if I'm saying it right. C8. This is the oily. This oil control formalized is infused. Okay, the bamboo powder for a shine-free sun-kiss finish. Super lightweight powder. Can be built up. Okay, and this is $28. Oh my god, my throat. My throat's been getting so dry wearing these masks. It's doing something to my throat. So let me pull this out. And this right here. This is really, really cute. And this is a bronzer. Last box, I got a highlighter. So I'm excited to get this bronzer. Ooh, so cute. I got stars. You can see. That is really cute. Oh, this is like my shade of my color. Let's see. Whoa, this is like dark. So that is dark. I'm gonna have to go in a light hand with this. This is cute though. It's really, really, it almost feels like creamy in a way. This is a powder. This is cute. So let me read more. So yeah, I already said shine free. Is this cruelty free? Yes, this is cruelty and vegan free. This is cute. I like this. And the last product is this Sophia little thing here. This is a hydrating lipstick and lip balm all in one. It's packed with vitamin E to keep those lips silky smooth, but filled with full coverage. Okay. I like it. 15 bucks for this. That's nice. Let's see what it is. Ooh, this color though. I don't do colors like this. Okay. You know I don't wear anything like this on my lips. I think I'm gonna give this to my sister because before, yeah, I would, but now I'm like, I'm just gonna put a lip gloss and call it a day. That is it. That, especially now, who's gonna be wearing lipstick now? No one. But yeah, guys, this is what I got in my BoxyCharm. I like, you know, this is my first time ever having a monthly subscription in makeup. I normally here and there do receive some products. So this is really nice to receive this box. I'm gonna keep, you know, I was impressed with the last one, and this one was good stuff in this one, except that lipstick. I don't wear dark colors. So I'm gonna go back to my profiles to see if I didn't put I wear dark colors, because you can have a preference on what you prefer, whether it's light, more of a neutral color, etc. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely go back and change that. But yeah, everything else I really like. This Murad night cream. I'm definitely gonna give it stop. I'm definitely gonna give it a shot to see how my face turns out with this. Hopefully I do not break out. Isabel, come on. Hopefully I don't break out with this. But I will definitely keep you posted. I'm just looking at myself and you definitely can see dark circles with this lighting. Whoa. But you know what that means? I can do better videos. You can actually see close up, you know, and with the light hitting my face, how the product is turning out. Shoot board. But yeah, guys, also I have an announcement, guys. I am doing a giveaway. I'm finally doing the giveaway. I'm gonna go more into details on tomorrow's video, but I just wanna make this announcement that I am doing a giveaway. So you know what that means. On tomorrow's video, I'm gonna explain all the rules. It's gonna be a little different this time, a little different, which I want to tell you a little bit here. I'm just gonna tell you the rules are gonna be different. So in order for you to win the giveaway, you have to follow those rules. But yeah, I have so many makeup, brand new makeup that I want to just give to one lucky winner, and it's all makeup related. So if this is something you want to win, definitely enter the giveaway. If you do not need any more makeup, then you do not have to enter the giveaway, but I will tell you it is makeup related only. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be tomorrow's video. I'm gonna do a whole dedicated video on that, explaining the rules, also showing you the products. I see you, Isabel. Stop. I told you. Showing you the video. I mean, showing you the video. Showing you the products. Yeah. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video. But I am gonna do a giveaway finally. But yeah, guys, that's about it. I just wanted to do a quick little video just showing you my BoxyCharm, and I can't wait until next month. I want to know because I guess every month you can get to pick one product you would like in your box. It's about stop. So I want to know, what is the next thing I can pick? What are the two things and pick one out of those things? So let's see. She's bored. She's bored. Okay, guys, let me go. Bye, guys.